So in Bootstrap you have different kind of button styles you can use, different colors and styles, and we are going to take a look into that in this part of the course. So first of all, I want to clarify there's no difference between having an input type submit or a button element. As long as it has the correct classes, it will work perfectly fine. So there's actually no difference. You can put exactly the same classes in either an input or a button element. It will be the same. It will have the same style. So what we can do here is we can say button, and we can then go in and say btn, and just take a look at it. And this is now the button we have. Now this looks a bit boring right now, so let's put in some styling. So this kind of styling we can put in is, first of all, btn, and then we can decide between danger, primary, success, warning, and info, link, light, and dark. So let's just start with the primary color, and after that we can take a look at how the other ones look like. So we have the primary color here. So now if we go in and duplicate this, and instead say btn success, you will notice this is going to be green, because the green color symbolizes to the user that this is successful, more peaceful. So like that's kind of this styling most people would use on the internet to show someone that this is a successful submission. Of course there's other ways to do that, but you don't have to use green color, but a lot of people use it, and you will be able to notice that if you look and analyze the website. Then we can go in and look into the danger, and let's also just take the warning to speed it up, and take the light and dark. So now you can see we have a lot of different button colors here, and beside that we can also go in and create the info one. Okay, great. So we have primary, success, danger, warning, light, dark, and info. Now let's take a look at some of the other buttons we can have too. So this is just to structure it a bit more, the colors you can have, and then we can go in here and say sizes, because we're going to look into what sizes you can make, and we can actually also, because this fits better into this category, choose the link as well and just take a look at that. So we have the colors here, and then we have the link. The link just looks like a link, but it's a button element. And then we can go in here and say, we can say button class btn primary, btn lg, and then let's go in and simply use btn sm, and then btn primary, to look at the different kind of size we can have. So we can have small, normal. Okay, great. So yeah, that's the kind of sizes you can have in here. And then let's take a look at outline. So outline is something I at least like to use a lot on web design and development, which is gonna be looking like this. So if we just copy and paste this here, we can say btn primary, but also just put in the outline here. And you can use all the same colors as before here. So if you now go in and take a look, you will have the outline style instead. And there's other kind of ways to style and shape it, but this pretty much covers what a regular user would be using on the website. So if you want to have some other kind of styling or something like that, look at the documentation. If it's there, then you should definitely use it. But this is also just to give you an idea of how it works and how to actually implement these stylings websites, and show you why Bootstrap is so popular, because it is so easy to put up a really beautiful looking website without having to touch anything else than HTML and a little bit of CSS sometimes, depending on if you want to make it have a more custom design compared to the Bootstrap default theme.